Today is Tuesday, May 26, 2020, and we are in our last week of regular instruction for school. Next week are the last 3 days of school, and we have a school reverse parade on Wednesday where you get to drive through and wave to the teachers. All right, here's our knock knock joke. Knock knock, who's there? Says. Says who? Says me, that's who. Says me, that's who. So you've heard of people saying, who said I should do that? Says me. Says who? Says me. So this is just a play on that little turn of phrase that's been around for a long time. Says me. That's who. Exclamation mark. All right, now here's our puzzle of the day. Sudoku, you're used to it by now. We're looking for the first row or column or box we see with just one missing number. So this column here is missing just the number 3, and this box is missing just the number 3. So now we either have 2 or 3 empty spots in each row, column, or box. So we're going to use the technique where you go to the intersection of a row. Oh, this won't work because it's only missing 2. So here, this will work. This row has 2 and this column has 2. So we can go to this box and we can say what's missing from both of them. There's a 2 and a 3 and a 4, so it's missing the 1. And then we know that we can fill this in with a 4 because it had 1, 3, and 2. Then we go to another box where there are 2 in the row and 2 in the column, and we see what it's missing. There's a 2 and a 3 and a 4, just like the other one. So we can put a 1 there, means we can fill in the 3 there. So now we have just one missing spot here. 1, 3, 4, so that's a 2. And then all of them are easy to solve after that. I want you to finish it on your own if you haven't done it yet. All right, day 169. That's a little bit off because we only have seven days left of school. But here we go. Number 1, ready, go. What is the correct way to write this sentence? Do you like ice cream? Is it do you like ice cream with a question mark? Do you like ice cream, period? Do you like ice cream, comma? So this is already correct. It started with a capital, but this is a question. So it's A. Number 2, ready, go. 535 minus something equals 525. So that's pretty easy to see. We don't need to set it up as a math problem. The hundreds stayed the same. The ones stayed the same. The tens are different. So what had to be taken away from 535, taking away to get to 525? The tens changed by 1. Number 3, ready, go. Identify the polygons. This has 4 equal sides, so it's a square. And this has 5 sides, so it is a pentagon. Remember the building in Washington, D.C. called the Pentagon. It's a military building. And so we will write Pentagon here, and the building in Washington, D.C. is called the Pentagon because it's shaped like a pentagon. Pentagon sides don't have to be all the same. A pentagon could be like this too. As long as it has 5 sides. A square, the rule is all the sides have to be the same length and they have to have right angles like this. All right, number 4, ready, go. What is the contraction for we will? So with the contraction, you put in an apostrophe for the letters you take out, and it's wheel. We have W-E and L-L. We take out the W-I and put the apostrophe there instead. All right, now our puzzle for our song and poem of the day, we're on to a new topic. I thought it would be fun to do summertime things. And so the song is about seagulls. You can color that picture of the seagull and the kids on the beach. And this is sung to the tune of The Wheels on the Bus. It says the people on the bus, but I think of it as the wheels on the bus. All right. Have you had a picnic on the beach? You've seen seagulls looking for treats. They are not picky when they eat. They're seagulls. They like to eat fish and earthworms too. Shellfish, squid, and people food. They are not picky like me and you. They're seagulls. All right, singers, say that 2 or 3 more times to practice your fluency.